In this video, I'm going to teach you how to extract a zip folder in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Hostinger website. This is where your online projects come to life, and it serves as the control center for your web hosting needs. Once you are on the homepage, your next step is to log into your account. Look for the option labeled My Account and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can review your account details and manage your settings. After logging into your account, you will be directed to the main dashboard. From here, locate the home section of the website. The homepage is designed with simplicity in mind and gives you quick access to the essential functions of your hosting account. It serves as the starting point for navigating to other areas of the platform that you will need later. Once you have arrived on the homepage, your attention should shift to managing your websites. Click on the website option, which is typically positioned among the navigation choices. This selection will display an overview of the website projects connected with your account. Within this section, you should then locate the website list. This list provides you with an organized view of all the sites you have set up on Hostinger, making it easier to identify the one you want to work with. With the website list open, your next task is to find the Tools option. Tools is an important area because it consolidates various utilities that allow you to fine-tune your website settings and manage your files. When you click on Tools, you will be presented with several options, one of which is the File Manager. The File Manager is a powerful built-in feature that enables you to browse, edit, and manage the files associated with your website. After you have accessed the File Manager, take a moment to locate the zip file that you need to extract. This file might be in the root directory of your website or within a specific folder depending on how you organized your files. Use the available search or navigation features within the File Manager if necessary. When you find the zip file, simply click on it to select it. This selection is crucial because it tells the system which file you want to work on. Now that you have selected the zip file, perform a right-click action on it. This will open a context menu with a list of options. From the menu, choose the Extract option. Once you click on Extract, Hostinger's system will begin decompressing the file and automatically placing its contents into the appropriate folder. This extraction process is designed to be seamless and efficient, ensuring that all your files are ready for further editing or management soon after the process completes. By following these detailed steps from logging into your account to navigating the File Manager, and finally extracting the zip file, you can effortlessly manage your website's content on Hostinger. This method is both simple and effective, providing you with complete control over your site's files. Enjoy the ease and speed of this extraction process, and continue building or updating your online presence with confidence.